Hello students, and welcome to the Week 1 Optional Honors Assignment Overview and Instruction video. With honors assignments, these are optional for students. However, if you are going the honors route in terms of the course, you will need to complete this assignment as well as any other future honors assignments in later weeks. For Week 1, there are two things that you will need to do. The first thing or assignment you will want to complete is the Week 1 Optional Honors Assignment, Read, Understand, Agree. The information below that title is going to let you know what to expect with the honors assignments in chemistry and technology, as well as my expectations in order to be successful going the honors route. So make sure you read that carefully and completely before you submit your statement to me for grading. Once you're done with this piece, you can go on to your Week 1 Optional Honors Assignment, Critical Thinking, and you will enter this assignment by clicking on the title. And it'll bring you into a journal style assignment. And the goal of this assignment is to use critical thinking to make a set of rules. It's very common in science when you do experiments or make any observations that we don't necessarily have the rules, the laws, the facts given to us. We have to look at our observations and then derive that on our own using critical thinking. For this assignment, we have found a game, and the game or games we have found have multiple methods of being able to be played. And the only information that we have from the game is previous steps or activities that players have done before. The game itself does not come with instructions or anything else. So it's up to us to look at how previous players have done the game and come up with a set of instructions on our own. The games are broken up based on last names, so that way if you have a sibling or a friend in the class, you can choose a different game to observe. However, you will go by the first letter of your last name. If you have a hyphenated last name, you will use the first letter of your first last name. Once you know what group you are in, you will scroll down and it'll give you your task as well as what I'm looking for in terms of the game. I want you to observe the videos, and you can watch them as many times as you want. But the goal is to look at the setup of the game. How was the board set up to start? What's the goal of the game that you can see in terms of the video? And then come up with a minimum of 5 rules that you see the players are following based on your observations. And then I want you to support your rules with observations that you made coming from the video. So you might have to watch the video more than once in order to complete these 4 pieces that I am looking for. And then as you go and scroll down, you'll notice there's 4 separate videos, 4 separate groups and videos to watch based on which group you are in. Again, if you have a sibling or a friend in the class that's also working on honors, you need to select a separate group. When you are ready and you have done your observations and written out your information, you can submit that to me by selecting Create Journal Entry, and that is always at the top right here. So if you click Create Journal Entry, you do have to give your journal a title. Now you can either submit your text in the submission text here, or you can type your information in a Word document or handwrite it. It's entirely up to you. If you're submitting a handwritten document, you need to make sure I can read your handwriting. You can either scan that and save that file to submit, or you can take a picture using a camera or a mobile device to take a picture of your paper and save that file to submit that, or you can submit your Word document that you have typed and saved. All of these options will use the Browse My Computer option here. If you click on that, it will load your ability to attach a file. You'll have to find it in your personal desktop. You would click on it, click Open, and that would attach your file below. And then once everything's ready and you're ready to submit it, you'll click this blue Post Entry at the bottom right corner, and that will submit it for grading for me. Now, if you do your honors assignment, if you get anything below a 4 in your assignments, Then you are going to want to revise your assignment. I do not allow students to have anything below a 3. So a 3 and a 4 are acceptable for honors assignments. If you get a 2 and a 1, you will have to revise whatever honors assignment that is. If you have any questions or you get stuck, make sure to email me. Otherwise, good luck. And then when you're done with this, you can wait for week 2 to open, or if it's already open, you can go ahead and dive into week 2.